Today we are going to replace this light switch in my laundry room, which is a really small laundry room between my garage and my main entryway, because no one ever shuts the light off, including me. So I'm going to put this motion sensor in there, and hopefully that'll solve the problem for us. Yeah. When we bought this house, they'd painted it before to sell it, and they did a really bad job. There's overspray everywhere. They either didn't take the light covers off or just painted over them and wiped them off. Just peeling right off. But we're not here about that. Before you start any work, you want to make sure that the breaker is turned off and the switch is turned off. I'm just keeping the light on for right now so I can do the video. Looks like there's plenty of wire to work with. So that is the light switch that I got it from Home Depot. Don't judge me, my fingernails are painted black because it was Halloween. Here the instructions are. Yeah, what we're going to do with these, and we're going to throw them away. We'll figure it out. I'm just kidding, we'll read it. Looks like these are probably your load wires. So let's pick up the instructions and read them. Oh, there goes the light. Alright, there's our Jeep. Going to use what supplied the wire nuts. Alright. So he's got to press these on and they work just great. So there's two wires coming off of this. And they're both going to go into here. Be careful, so I don't twist the hot wire. The blue we're just going to tape up because if it's a single pole wire that's wired, you just cap it off. Make sure these are secure. I like them because once the wires are in there fully and they are seated, they don't come out. Wire nuts, I swear it's a gamble every time you use those. we'll tape those up when we're done. So there's a little bit of exposed wire. Oh, there we got the light. So let's tape these up. Can never be too careful. My taping job could be better. Tug on these, make sure they're not going to fall off. I'm not going to worry about taping the ground up because it's ground. Let's get these wires pushed back. So let's get the screws. You got the up arrow pointing up. That's the correct way. Make sure it sits flush. Not a lot of pressure. I don't even know what settings or how you change it, or if you change it. Oh, a little too tight, but it'll work. Find the hole. All right, so perfect. Like so I said, everything was easy to install and it looks good, and it's just a simple motion activated switch. So I guess the next thing is to just make sure it works.